Hey everyone, welcome back to Pay and Theta. This week I've gone over all the plays I won in the recap pretty much to the T, AMD especially. So about CHWY and Snapchat made a ton of premium, $7,700, got $214 out of it. That is a very, very good return. Definitely over 2% as well as my CHWY, a little bit over 2%, AMD right about 1%. I did close out of these positions, so I did make around 1% this week off my money. In fact, I was actually trying to close these positions to get back into AMD today because it was down a lot. It since then has rebounded. You can see here the premium for one day really isn't worth the risk. Risk to reward ratio, I'd rather just wait next week and make a couple $100 off of it instead of like $50. It really wouldn't be worth my hassle. $50 instead of a couple $100. So that was that for this account. A couple of my calls. Micron is right about the $50 range. Made tons of premium, $150 over than what I got it at. So I would not mind getting rid of it. I'd make a ton of money. If not, hold on to it. I might even push this up a little higher. It'd be great to make a little bit extra income. That way, AT&T, nothing's really happened. And this 28 call expiring tomorrow, there's pretty much no chance it's getting there. So that should expire worthless. And then I will sell a covered call on Bank of America again, making some more money. Next week, if AMD stays where it's at, range bound, within the $70 range, I definitely will jump all over it. As you can see today, it was down. That's kind of why I was getting to it. Work was a little busy. Couldn't really focus as much as I wanted to work on. That being said, you can kind of see the support extending onto here. It bounced from this position. I drew a line here earlier just for visual reference, but you can see it likes to hit this spot and likes to go up. And I think this is a very, very well priced, especially for the stock. I've been buying it personally, been adding a ton more shares. I own now 14 shares of AMD, $1,000. My reinvestments have gone back into AMD. Own it for $71.50 pretty much on average. It's at 76 now. I could see this stock going up to 100. That would really boost my my Theta reinvestments up 2.6%. So maybe I should change this because I think it's at 4 right now. 2.6 and see where I'm at. So overall, $4,100 roughly with everything reinvested. So that's pretty good. Yearly income's looking pretty good as well. Definitely got this average weekly income up. It was a little bit under $200 before, but getting some of this cash back, especially from the Marvel plays, getting a bunch of cash back, you can really see how much money you can make on the cash cured put side, especially if you get it at really good prices. And I think this week is definitely one of those weeks. Made $300 alone right here over that. So really good on top of my covered calls. So super excited to see what tomorrow holds as it's the last day. I would love to own AMD, and I would definitely, if I own AMD, here's what I would do. If I own AMD, 100 shares of AMD at $77.50, which is $1 less, which 100 shares is $100 less. Granted, I did get paid $214, so I still would be making $114 if I owned it today, which I would love to own it today, especially at $77.50 or $76. I cannot buy enough of it. I've been almost buying a share every day. I want to own so much of it. I would then, if I owned it today, I would sell the covered call on it probably at $82.50 just to hold it. Putting it so far out of the money is giving me a better chance to retain the stock. So I don't think it would go that high. If it would go that high, I would make a ton of money. The difference between $77.50 and $82.50, which would be $500 on top of the already $214 I already received, making it like $700 or $800 roughly for 2 weeks. That is very, very good return off about $8,000. That's about 10% in 2 weeks. That would be great. Like I said, I don't know if it'll happen, but if there's a stock to do it, it would be AMD. And I don't want to shortchange myself on just trying to take a little bit more premium. I want to own this company for the long haul, and especially into earnings. I would love to earn it into earnings. There's so much premium to be had. I think this company could go really, really, really far. I could see it going really far, really quick. It has done it before, so I could expect to do it again, especially with all the good things that are going for them and the very, very good price I see. So that's pretty much it for this account. Let me go into the smaller account. Same thing, Snapchat puts. I got it at a very, very good time. In fact, let me show you. Monday was down a ton. Snapchat was down, I think, 5% Monday. This is a little too far. 5 days, 5 minutes. Monday right here, you can see down 4%. It's a great buy. Snapchat at 22.50. That's where I put it at. It was about $23, so 50 cents off. Would love to own Snapchat for 22 bucks. Of course, shot up, way oversold. Come Monday, it was a good cash cleared put. But I've been loading shares up on AMD, so I haven't bought any of Snapchat with my Theta investments, but still a good company, especially at 22.50. You just can't beat it. It's literally stayed there so long. 22.50. It has seen a fair share of price increase over the past month or so, but still a good company nonetheless. So good cash clear put on that. And CHWY, same deal. It had earnings drop, and I think it was a little way oversold. So there was a ton of premium to be had, and I capitalized on it, made 2%, and you can kind of see it's bounced back up. So I sold out of it initially just to try to sell another cash put on AMD, but as you can see, it's probably going nowhere, and the 52 put would have been good. So I did miss out probably on $30 there, but it happens. And next week I will be making another video about probably how I'm going to enter the market again. Most likely AMD if nothing really happens, if it stays in the same range. And I haven't made my small account, like I said, because of work. I've been a little busy, but I probably will get back on that next week. Anyways, if you guys made it this far, leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated, or consider subscribing. That's greatly appreciated as well. If not, I will see you guys next week. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.